Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this video is starting off kind of weird. I accidentally erased the beginning of this tutorial and I just didn't have the heart to throw it away because I worked so hard on it and I really loved how it came out. So I'm gonna just really quickly bring you up to speed. I did do my eyebrows with the BellaPierre brow gel, and I also prepped my lids with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. Then I picked up my Morphe 35V palette and I added Crease to my crease. I buffed it all out nicely. Then I added Wild Thing to my crease as well to deepen it up. At the beginning of this video, as you can see, I was cutting my crease, making sure that it is as precise as I can get it. Then I'm picking up this shade called Go Nude and a flat eyeshadow brush so that I can pack that all on over my concealer. So next we're going to be picking up a pencil brush, any pencil brush from any collection that you might have, and we're going to pick up the color Crease. I believe that's how you say it. I'm sorry if it's not. And then we're going to add this to our lash line. It's going to be our liner. So just go ahead and do your line as dark as you'd like or as light as you'd like. Next, I'm picking up a smaller flat brush and picking up the color Addicted, and I am adding that over the line that we just did with the previous color. After that is done, we're going to take off our tape, and this was, I think, the first time I used tape to make sure my line is very sharp, and I'm not gonna lie, I was pleasantly surprised with how well it worked. If you haven't tried this, try it. And next up is our lashes, and these lashes I actually got them for free from Provocative lashes. I do have a discount code with them, so if you are interested, please look down below. I will put the discount code, but before we put the lashes on, we will be adding a coat of this Loreal Voluminous mascara, just a light one. It doesn't have to be crazy. After our glue gets tacky, we're gonna go ahead and place our lashes on our eyes. This was the first time I had tried these lashes, so I was really excited and really happy. Next up, we're going to use our Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I use the color Soft Beige. To be honest, I feel like this foundation is a little light for me, but I tend to make it work. So I ended up just keeping it so that I can continue using it. Up next is our cream contour. Unfortunately, I just cannot remember where exactly I got this from. I don't remember if it's Revlon, one of the drugstore brands for sure though. And I'm just gonna go apply it with my fingers because I just like to do it this way. And I'm gonna put it on my forehead, on my cheekbones, underneath my neck, like where my double chin is, and I also do my nose contour with this. After we are done bronzing, we're going to start highlighting with this Mary Lou Luminizer, I believe it's called. And I love this one, love, love, love. I got it from a, I believe it was Ipsy subscription that I had last year. And I still completely love it. I think it's such a pretty highlight. This highlighter, I like putting it above my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose. Sometimes I put it in my tear ducts, and I also sometimes put it right on my eyebrow bone underneath my brows. Next, I am picking up my Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer and my angled brush from my Luxe Cosmetics brush set, and I just go over anywhere I placed my cream contour over. Up next, I'm picking up my e.l.f. Beautifully Bare blush, and this is in Soft Rose, and I am tapping it onto my cheeks because this one, if you try to swipe it, I don't think it stays on that well if you swipe, but if you pat it into your skin, it looks beautiful. I love it. Then I'm going to be picking up my NYX lip liner. I forgot the name of this, but I will put it down below in the description box. I love this color so much. I just lined my lips, filled in my lips just a little bit, so the line that I made at first looks thin, but I ended up making it a little bit thicker, so when I put my either lipstick or lip gloss over it, it blends out really nicely. So for this look, I ended up using e.l.f.'s Lip Plumping Gloss in Sparkling Rose. Like I said, I didn't know this was a lip plumper, but I love it, and it looks so beautiful with many, many looks. And this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. Again, I am so sorry that I started it off weird, But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content so far. Love you guys. Bye.